Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show widgets on Mac desktop. So widget lets you quickly check useful information like weather, calendar events, reminder, battery status, clock and much more without opening the actual app. They stay on the desktop so you can glance at important information whenever you need it. However, many Mac users suddenly notice that all their desktop widgets even though they never removed them. In most cases, the widgets are still available on Mac, but the setting that controls where they appear has been changed. So inside desktop and dock settings, Apple gives you two separate options for widgets. One is on desktop and the other is in Stage Manager. These two checkboxes control two completely different situations. Let me show you what. First, click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and here if you scroll a bit in the right side pane, you can see a widget section. In that, right to show widgets, you can see two check marks, the one I was talking about earlier. Inside, the on desktop checkbox controls whether the widgets will appear while you're using normal Mac desktop, or the in Stage Manager checkbox will control what happens when Stage Manager is enabled. So simply check the box next to on desktop, and as soon as you enable it, your widget will become visible whenever you are on normal desktop. Like if Stage Manager is disabled, you can see the widgets on desktop. And if you select in Stage Manager checkbox, then even if you enable Stage Manager on your Mac, still you can access the widgets from desktop. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.